Hello and welcome to the Investing Iguana, where we help you make smart and informed decisions about your money. I'm your host, Iggy, and today we're going to talk about one of the most popular and innovative companies in the tech industry, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is a leader in accelerated computing, which means they make chips and software that boost the performance and efficiency of various applications, such as gaming, artificial intelligence, data centers, automotive, and more. NVIDIA is also behind some of the most exciting breakthroughs in generative AI, such as ChatGPT, the AI that can write anything you want. But how is NVIDIA doing as a business? Is it worth investing in this company? What are the risks and opportunities ahead? In this video, we're going to give you a full company report on NVIDIA based on their latest earnings release and other sources. We'll cover their financial performance, their growth drivers, their competitive advantages, their challenges, and their outlook for the future. So buckle up and let's dive into NVIDIA. Financial performance. NVIDIA reported its fourth quarter and fiscal year 2023 results on February 22nd. The company had a mixed quarter, with revenue of $6.05 billion, down 21% year-over-year but up 2% sequentially. The revenue decline was mainly due to lower demand for gaming GPUs after the pandemic-induced surge in 2021. However, the sequential growth was driven by strong demand for data center products and professional visualization solutions. The company's earnings per share also fell 52% year-over-year to 57 cents on a GAAP basis and 33% year-over-year to 88 cents on a non-GAAP basis. The earnings decline was partly due to higher operating expenses related to research and development and acquisitions. However, the company still beat analysts' expectations of 81 cents per share on a non-GAAP basis. For the full fiscal year 2023, NVIDIA had revenue of $27 billion, flat from a year ago. The company's earnings per share dropped 55% year-over-year to $1.74 on a GAAP basis and 25% year-over-year to $3.34 on a non-GAAP basis. The company attributed the flat revenue and lower earnings to supply constraints that limited its ability to meet demand for its products. Despite the challenges, NVIDIA returned $10.44 billion to shareholders in fiscal 2023 through share repurchases and cash dividends. The company also announced a 4-for-1 stock split that took effect on July 20, 2022. Growth drivers. NVIDIA has several growth drivers that could propel its revenue and earnings higher in the coming years. One of them is its leadership in artificial intelligence, which is transforming every industry and creating new opportunities for innovation. NVIDIA's AI platform consists of three layers: the AI supercomputer, which is powered by its H100 GPU and Quantum 2 networking fabric, the AI software, which includes its acceleration libraries and AI enterprise suite, and the AI models, which include its NeMo and Biona-MO customizable generative AI models. NVIDIA is partnering with leading cloud service providers to offer AI as a service that provides enterprises access to its AI platform through their browser. Customers can engage each layer of NVIDIA AI as a cloud service, depending on their needs and preferences. For example, they can use NVIDIA DGX Cloud to access an NVIDIA DGX AI supercomputer for training and deploying large language models or other AI workloads. They can also use NVIDIA's NeMo or Biona-MO models to build proprietary generative AI models and services for their businesses. Another growth driver for NVIDIA is its dominance in gaming, which is recovering from the post-pandemic downturn. NVIDIA's gaming revenue was $2.5 billion in Q4 FY 2023, down 29% year-over-year but up 10% sequentially. The company launched its new Ada architecture GPUs with AI neural rendering in Q3 FY 2023, which offer superior performance and realism for gamers. The company also expanded its GeForce Now cloud gaming service to more regions and devices, reaching over 15 million members worldwide. NVIDIA's data center segment is also a key growth driver for the company, as it benefits from the increasing demand for high-performance computing and cloud services. NVIDIA's data center revenue was $2 billion in Q4 FY 2023, up 11% year-over-year but down 7% sequentially. The sequential decline was due to lower sales of cryptocurrency mining processors, CMPs, which are excluded from data center revenue. However, the company saw strong demand for its H100 GPUs and Quantum 2 networking products from hyperscale customers and enterprise customers. NVIDIA's other segments include professional visualization, automotive, and OEM and other. Professional visualization revenue was $519 million in Q4 FY 2023, up 51% year-over-year and 16% sequentially. The growth was driven by increased adoption of NVIDIA's Omniverse platform, which enables real-time collaboration and simulation across multiple industries. Automotive revenue was $163 million in Q4 FY 2023, up 16% year-over-year but down 8% sequentially. The growth was driven by increased adoption of NVIDIA's Drive platform for autonomous vehicles and intelligent cockpits. OEM and other revenue was $893 million in Q4 FY 2023, down 41% year-over-year but up 23% sequentially. The decline was due to lower sales of CMPs compared to a year ago. Competitive advantages. NVIDIA has several competitive advantages that give it an edge over its rivals in the tech industry. One of them is its innovation culture, which enables it to constantly create new products and solutions that address emerging needs and challenges in various markets. NVIDIA invests heavily in research and development, spending $4 billion, or 15% of its revenue, on R&D in fiscal 2023. Another competitive advantage for NVIDIA is its ecosystem of partners and customers that span across multiple industries and sectors. NVIDIA works closely with leading cloud service providers such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, Alibaba Cloud, and Tencent Cloud, leading software vendors such as VMware, Red Hat, SAP, Oracle, and Adobe, leading hardware vendors such as Dell, HP, Lenovo, Cisco, and IBM. Leading research institutions such as Stanford University, MIT, Harvard University, and Oxford University, leading government agencies such as NASA, the Department of Energy, DOE, the National Institutes of Health, NIH, and the National Science Foundation, NSF, leading automotive companies such as Mercedes-Benz, Volvo, Toyota, and Tesla, leading gaming companies such as Activision Blizzard, Electronic Arts, EA, Ubisoft, and Valve, and many more. These partnerships enable NVIDIA to leverage its expertise and technology to create value and solve problems for various customers and markets. A third competitive advantage for NVIDIA is its brand recognition and reputation as a leader in accelerated computing and artificial intelligence. NVIDIA has won numerous awards and accolades for its products and achievements in various fields. For example, NVIDIA was named the #1 company on Fast Company's list of the world's most innovative companies in artificial intelligence in 2021, the #2 company on Fortune's list of the world's most admired companies in semiconductors in 2021, the #4 company on Forbes' list of America's best employers for diversity in 2021, the #5 company on Barron's list of the world's most respected companies in technology, hardware, and equipment in 2020, and many more. These recognitions reflect NVIDIA's excellence and leadership in its industry and enhance its brand equity and customer loyalty. Challenges. NVIDIA faces several challenges that could hamper its growth and profitability in the future. One of them is the intense competition from other chipmakers and technology companies that are vying for market share and innovation leadership in various segments. Some of NVIDIA's main competitors include Intel, AMD, Qualcomm, Broadcom, Xilinx, Micron Technology, Samsung Electronics, Huawei Technologies, Apple, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, and Baidu. These competitors have their own strengths and capabilities that could pose threats to NVIDIA's market position and differentiation. Another challenge for NVIDIA is the regulatory uncertainty and scrutiny that it faces in various regions and markets. NVIDIA is subject to various laws and regulations that govern its operations, such as antitrust laws, export controls, data privacy laws, environmental laws, tax laws, intellectual property laws, and labor laws. These laws and regulations could change over time or vary across jurisdictions or impose additional costs or restrictions on NVIDIA's business activities or transactions. For example, NVIDIA is currently awaiting regulatory approval for its proposed acquisition of ARM Limited from SoftBank Group Corporation, which is expected to close by March 2022. However, the deal has faced opposition from some of ARM's customers and competitors who fear that it would give NVIDIA too much power over the chip industry or compromise ARM's neutrality as a licensor of chip designs. The deal is also under investigation by antitrust authorities in various countries, such as the UK, the EU, and India. The outcome of these investigations is uncertain and could result in delays, conditions, or prohibitions that could affect NVIDIA's ability to complete the acquisition or realize its expected benefits. A third challenge for NVIDIA is the supply chain disruption and volatility that it faces due to various factors, such as the global chip shortage, the COVID-19 pandemic, the U.S.-China trade tensions, the geopolitical instability, and the natural disasters. These factors could affect NVIDIA's ability to source, manufacture, distribute, and sell its products in a timely and cost-effective manner. They could also affect NVIDIA's customers, suppliers, partners, and employees in various ways. For example, NVIDIA has been struggling to meet the surging demand for its gaming GPUs due to the limited availability of substrates, wafers, and other components from its suppliers. NVIDIA has also been facing pressure from the U.S. government to limit its business dealings with certain Chinese entities that are subject to export restrictions or sanctions. These challenges could adversely affect NVIDIA's revenue, profit margins, market share, and customer satisfaction. Outlook. Despite the challenges, NVIDIA remains optimistic about its future prospects and opportunities. The company expects its revenue for Q1 FY 2024 to be $5.3 billion, plus or minus 2%. This represents a 6% decline year-over-year, but a 12% increase sequentially. The company also expects its non-GAAP gross margin to be 64.6%, plus or minus 50 basis points. The company expects its growth drivers to continue to fuel its performance in the long term. The company believes that AI is at an inflection point, setting up for broad adoption across every industry. The company also believes that gaming is recovering from the post-pandemic downturn, with gamers enthusiastically embracing the new Ada architecture GPUs with AI neural rendering. The company also believes that data center is poised for further growth, as it benefits from the increasing demand for high-performance computing and cloud services. The company also believes that its other segments, such as professional visualization, automotive, and OEM and other, will offer new avenues for expansion and diversification. The company also believes that its acquisition of ARM will create a new era of computing, where NVIDIA's AI platform will complement ARM's vast ecosystem of devices and applications. The company also believes that its innovation culture, ecosystem of partners and customers, and brand recognition and reputation will give it a competitive edge over its rivals in the tech industry. So, what do you think about NVIDIA? Is it a buy, hold, or sell? Let me know in the comments below. And if you would like to find out more our review of broker recombinations on NVIDIA, then check out our Part 2 video. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the Investing Iguana for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to check out our website, where you can find more information and resources on investing and personal finance. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.